So this is my Partscaster Telecaster. I made the body out of red cedar from a garage door project I was working on. It's 2 pieces, and I don't remember where the cut is for this one because I made 2 of them. I just don't remember, but I think it's just a slice down the bottom, but it's mostly a single piece of red cedar. It's very light and very snappy, crisp sounding. With the nitrocellulose finish that I've relicked. It's a metallic copper with a white undercoat. And it's got some nice crackling going on. Hardware is mostly Wilkinson bridge, Wilkinson pickups. I don't remember where the pots and the switch came from, but this is a newer pot, not the sort of import pot. And vintage style tuners, which are probably Wilkinson also, I don't remember. And a pretty thick neck. It's bigger than a modern C. It's probably more like a kind of a classic 50s size almost. So it's pretty sturdy and feels good in the hand. I have no idea what the fretboard is made out of, but it's not stained. That's its natural color. But it's nice. It's got nice fat frets and plays well. So here's a sound sample.